What's up guys, we just got back from City Plywood. We got some plywood here because we're going to be building the bottom cabinets today and doing some plumbing, so let's go. Alright, so I'm going to teach you guys how we build our kitchen cabinets. They're really simple to build and you're only going to need the nicest 3/4 inch plywood that you can find. Alright, so I cut out two identical pieces. They're 18 inches wide by 34 inches tall. And these are going to work as the sides of my cabinets. And we're going to do the shiny side in so the inside of the cabinets do look nice. And now what we're going to do is cut out our toe kick. Alright, so we want our toe kicks to be about 3 by 3 inches. You can make them any size you want, but we want to keep ours small because we are in a van, and also the toe kick is going to work as a place to put our LED lights. So we're going to go ahead and do 3 inches. And then we're going to go 3 inches. So we're basically going to cut this box out right here, and that will be our toe kick. And we're going to do it on both of our pieces. Now that we have our sides cut out and our toe kicks cut out, we're going to go ahead and build the base. Alright, so we went ahead and made a line right here, and we're going to cut a groove into it so we can slide our base into it. So we took our table saw and we brought it down to about 1/4 inch, and we're going to go ahead and put a 1/4 inch notch into this. Alright, so we have some H-band veneer here, and we also have some adhesive that is designed to glue the H-band to the front of the cabinet. Now, this is the part of the cabinet that's going to be exposed, so we're going to go ahead and only put the H-band on the front part that's going to be exposed because the back is going to be against the wall and it just doesn't need it. So let me show you how we do that. So now that we have the frame of our cabinet all built out, we're going to go ahead and build the cabinet face. So we have our cabinet frame all built out. Now we're going to go ahead and install this under-mounting sink. And there's a few different ways to do it, but I find the easiest way to do it is to take the entire cabinet and flip it upside down and then do this. Take the sink and flip it upside down like this. And we're just going to take pieces of wood and put them from there to there, and from here to here to keep the sink from not falling down. Now remember, all of this is upside down, so it might not make sense to you right now, but it will in a minute. Alright guys, so we finally finished up the kitchen sink cabinet. This thing took all day to make. It wasn't easy at all. It seems easy, but it wasn't. This is where it's gonna go. Nice countertop's gonna go flush right over this. We also got the lock installed. It's a 10-pound lock, so it locks nice. But that's it for this episode, guys. I will see you guys next time. Peace.